When you start up a restaurant business, it's very fun at first, but it's also very stressful. One mistake can have serious consequences. The National Restaurant Association estimates that 30% of restaurants don't make it through their first year. Some studies even suggest that 80% of restaurants won't make it the first 5 years. If you are one of the fortunate 70% that made it through your first year, then you'll need all the help you can get to make sure that your business continues to thrive. That's where an alternative lender like National Funding can help. Imagine this scenario. You are about to enter a month that was excellent for your restaurant during the previous calendar year. Customer traffic was more than double, and you expect this year to be at least that busy, if not more. You just experienced a breakdown on some of your equipment. You know that unless you pay for repairs, increase your inventory, and hire new help, you won't be able to meet the upcoming demand. Even worse, your restaurant might generate negative experiences for customers and bad reviews on social media. You know you'll have to spend more, but both your bank account and your credit score are lower than you'd like them to be. One possible solution to this problem scenario is to look into a restaurant loan from National Funding. Here are some of the benefits and challenges that come with that decision. National Funding accepts a wide range of new customers. They are willing to work with business owners who have credit scores as low as 500. That's the lowest qualifying score among alternative lenders who will loan to restaurant owners. It is also true that most business owners who apply to National Funding will be approved for a loan. Further, National Funding doesn't require business owners to offer any collateral when applying for these loans. Last of all, the application process is fast, and most customers report that the funding arrives just 1 or 2 days after approval. With all these benefits to working with National Funding, you might anticipate some challenges that come with it. Let's look at these challenges directly. The first challenge for getting a loan from National Funding is that their fees may be high, sometimes higher than 30%. The second challenge is that loans are spread out over a short time period, no longer than 2 years for business loans and no longer than 6 years for equipment loans. Another challenge is that during the duration of the loan, you'll have to schedule your payments either daily or weekly. That means you'll need the restaurant to perform so well that it is making more than enough profit to make loan payments every day, or at least every week. Of course, none of these challenges would be a showstopper for a successful entrepreneur with a big opportunity in front of them. But it is true that anyone considering a loan from National Funding will have to have a clear understanding of how to balance the opportunity with the cost of repaying the loan. In addition to high rates for paying back the loan, another challenge is that National Funding charges a 2% origination fee on the loan. The larger the loan, the bigger that charge becomes. To qualify for a loan from National Funding, your business will need to have been operating for at least 1 year and be generating more than $100,000 annually. If your business has these characteristics, you might want to take a closer look at working with National Funding.